South India. So then they'll go back. That's why only you see winter birds. So when you want come alone, your family, sir. There's a reception here. Come straight here. The small the road actually you can go like this. You see river cover, it will come out. When you're coming alone, you want any time you walk.
Open like 24/7, you can come anytime.
This not 24/7, sir. After 5:30 you cannot see anything. What one more beautiful bird in the tree tops that we can see there. And the dead trees, sir. No leaf. But you go right on top, you can see one bird sitting the right side. The right side, just come right side, come to here easy. Lost tree, the right side, white head and brownish color body.
Yeah.
The name called chestnut tiled stalling. That no, the tile fully mud color. I hope you've seen the last one.
Yes.
Three on the row actually. Yeah. Wow, here this come and so this tall tree. Okay, first one. Then go straight, not bigger one. Don't straight, and there is actually V-shaped branch, like a brownish colored tree bark. It is weights and you can see beautiful golden color woodpeckers.
On the V, yeah.
Yeah, the V. Just wait, but bird went begins. Just wait. This is just you see one blackbird. Oh, look the blackbird, beautiful with the long tails. See there's a dead tree, madam, dead tree, big one. Just come to middle of the tree, one low branch coming toward the left side.
Okay.
A low branch, that branch cut. You see one blackbird sitting, the fully blackish color.
Ah, yeah.
You see that bird? When that bird there, you see woodpeckers.
Woodpecker is there from there.
I didn't see that. I'll show it to you.
The blackbird is what?
Drongo.
From Blackbird, where do we look? Right or left?
Left of that right.
Ah, right.
You see that they're having long
Yeah.
tails.
Pecking at the wood.
Pecking the wood.
Ah.
Wrong over there.
No. It has a red head color.
Oh, then you saw woodpecker.
Yeah, it's on the left.
Where, madam?
This branch. From black
Okay.
towards 11 o'clock.
Towards 11. Yeah, you're correct. Move to left now. You
Yeah.
can say the V shape.
It was pecking at the wood earlier.
Okay.
It has that orange color.
Same
head.
trees, sir. Go tip up the trees.
Yeah.
That's true away you can see. Oh, woodpecker come, the dead trees. Go to dead tree. No leaf, 11 o'clock direction this.
Orange.
Orange and red, yeah.
It is going to the top now.
Yeah. You have not seen woodpecker, just come the mobile, the camera I'll show it for you can see.
It's going to the top.
Yeah, well, this is the woodpecking. Three seconds. Yeah, well, this. You see the box? It'll go up nice. You see red color, it's a white. Yeah, this one. It's going up. The same trees, sir. They did no leaf fall. Like come to left actually, left side and there is one. Actually, there's a two woodpecker, one woodpecker or no one more tree,
It's
the
on the
left
top
side.
right now. Ah, it's clear right now.
Wow, ekdam top.
It's very clear.
Black, white, and orange.
Wow, these are awards posing actually. See, when you know not see this come there. So
Yeah, seen it, yeah.
Oh, it flew down.
sir, and I hope you see the blackbird also. Blackbird sitting little down.
And a new bird has come there from the tree.
Crow, I guess.
Crow maybe, yeah.
Yeah, and okay, crow. So you know the very interesting where the blackbird there is one more woodpecker also there going up, little backside the V shape. Blackbird, just go above the like a V-shaped tree. On the left side, the brown, the one more woodpecker going up. Oh, this is call.
This side.
So you not see, just come to mobiles. Sorry, not mobiles. So they're picking here. Look at the mobile some camera. That's picking actually. Yeah, female woodpecker.
Okay.
The female woodpecker, they don't have red color head. You see the black color head.
Okay.
All a black one, this one. What you saw there, red color head.
Huh. So that's a male.
This is the females. So they create black color head. Red nahi hai. But with this other one, what you saw, this is a. You all are the male woodpeckers. See the red color head. Spike, crown, what you can, this is a male woodpecker.
Okay.
But you saw the drongos, sir. Now you see the drongo, now you focus.
Yeah.
They're having beautiful long tile there. See, use 33 centimeter tile there. So the same tree, sir, one branch like V-shaped cut, the first branch, the dead tree come low, very low, middle of tree. You see long tiles.
Ah, right. It's on the tip of that.
But you see a long tile.
Yes.
Tail is there.
I flew off.
They're coming back, same place. Now they'll go other place. So you want a long tail, just come and show me.
Oh, that bird.
Two long tails. See this. You see a long tail, sir? Long tail, the box. The long tail. It's beautiful actually, the style. So there's a bird, just look at me, there's a bird. So they're having two long feather like this. There's a tail actually. This the two long tail. Like that. The bird tail actually. And this name called greater rocket-tailed drongos. So this bird there's a woodpecker there, so you can see this bird actually. Because always a tile, decorative tile. Look at what the hockey stick, like tennis rackets. Niche, the black one.
Yeah.
But bird sitting upper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bird there at the top, you can same tile you can see.
Yeah.
This bird, I got to tell the bird the name. Don't run away. The name called Indian Greater Rocket-tailed Drongo. The bird name. There's only one bird, sir. They make more than 25 to 30 different type call, awaj make actually. We take our Madam Radha Mangaskar, she can sing different type language. Yes or no, the bird make different calls. But very interesting, sir. But the woodpecker there, you can see, this bird always. We both are friends.
Oh, I see.
Do you know why? Woodpecker top of the trees.
Okay.
Here all are niche. Do you know why, sir? The woodpecker actually what will do, when they're picking the wood, the dead tree, the bark, the many insects will come out. This time, the woodpecker, they cannot catch, the flying insect, the body weight mota. They will look for any larva, worms will do. This time actually, any flying insect come out, any like grasshopper, all this time, drongo niche there, what will do? Go and catch it, They're very shortcut getting and free actually. Sometimes, and this way they call mixed party hunter. When you see anywhere place, when you go anywhere bird sanctuary, any bird area, if you see woodpecker, definitely around the area you can see many birds, you can see. They call mixed party hunter. So you have party, you don't have only one person, We call friends, family member, we invite, we do party. This is called mixed party hunter. Anyway, so Spider-Man here. The flower moment. It's called Little Spider Hunter. But this bird only what you saw today first, but we didn't see very clearly.
Small.
Yeah, it's coming back.
Honeysuckle.
One more bird is coming there outside, fully greenish yellow, and crimson color. The fly It's called crimson backed sunbird. We didn't see today sunbird, first sunbird we seeing.
It's there on
Crimson.
that branch.
Okay.
Flew away. It's there.
Yeah, it's coming here. That movement you see the movement. The female having yellow, male only the colorful birds. And the left man, corner. The movement you see the corner. But sunbird all taking picture no very difficult. We need to still keep flying. Yeah.
Oh, very fast.
Right now, what you seen, this sunbird we seen actually. We call, no, what you say, purple rumped sunbird. The back sides are really purple color. Really, we cannot see purple. No, movement very fast. Here.
You told Drongo will make at least 50 different types
25
of
plus
25.
30 calls.
So does it replicate the other birds?
Yeah, other birds.
chirping?
Warning, alarm call. This side, this side. Okay, you're going this. So at Drongo, one more thing actually very interesting. So sometime they want fight with the crow, but they don't want fight with the eagle, and without touching body actually. Cleverly, you know what you do, sir. Actually, suppose the Drongo, what they'll come and sit very quietly. So the crow is there. Actually, the crow looking for any food, any prey, any they call juicy pod insect, soft insect. They're looking any butterfly larva stay like that, and the crow looking that insect, they'll go hunt, go to fly, go to catch. That time what will do immediately the Drongo, it turn like this side. Actually, they make like some cat call. This time actually crow they'll run away, bird will go and catch and eat. And this birds are always always a very good bird. Always take care for other birds. So if you see the crow, what you can sitting right on top. You see this, what's happening? No bird there. You don't want the crow is there territory. Don't always chase for other birds. But you can see when the Drongo not like when you see Drongo, you see many birds there. Just few minutes back we saw Drongo there, woodpecker there, other small tiny birds, starling all there. But this bird no always take care no other birds. Any eagle come and the bird will go fight and chase only. But the birds are look like very smaller, but it's a very good fighter. Actually, the name called Greater Rocket-tailed Drongo. I'll show it. Yeah, all of you see. I showed body, then I showed two long tail. Actually called Greater Rocket-tailed Drongo. What you saw there actually.
So it eats only worms and all.
Insect, like all fruits will eat actually. Sometimes we don't get any insects, sir. The tree bark, small, holes, any insect, there, bird, maybe beetle, something there inside. The bird what to lose, sir. They fly like this. One wing hold and the tree branch, other wing so the force hair to inside the holes. And now what up the insect will come out. This time the bird will catch it, insect. It's very intelligent bird, we can see.
Any possibility of spotting peacocks?
Peacock will become the paddy field area because the people are doing the sound no matter.
Oh, okay.
Peacock we have the father. This woodpecker, what we saw, like the female like this, male like this, called greater golden back woodpecker. You can see. When the bird fly, pitches are you can see golden colors. The red color called golden back woodpeckers. If you take any bird, there's some meaning.
So male and female both peck at the hole?
Yeah. Sometimes the male, female, what will lose? So the male keep on pick and goes. Female follows. Female, they'll get insects. Sometimes bottle, female will turn.
Okay.
Keep on pick, the male will catch insect, eat actually. Help each other.
Red color will only. What are these? Red color? Tiny bead like that?
Take one fruit, pick one fruit, just press it.
ఇదా
తీసుకోకపోతే What are these called?
Blood berry. Look at your finger like blood only.
Okay.
This is normal bulbul. With the white throat, black head. Yeah, this is
Yeah, it's moving its head.
with the crown like crested.
It flew up.
You have to see the bulbul there. Bulbul actually looking. This middle of the trees, the middle. This is a dead tree, no? First tree, middle of the tree. One is on the right hand side, one is on the left hand side. You know, one flew away. The right corner.
Okay.
But the tree branches and the bird body, no same color. No.
Right. It's having some kind of fawn kind of stuff.
Yeah, crown like this.
Strong.
Small yellow and sorry,
White,
and orange.
white, yeah, orange. Below the eye, having orange
Ah,
color.
right. It's searching for food or something.
Food one, insect.
Okay. So how do they spot it? I mean, on
The bird eye very sharp, better than for us. So now you see white throat, necklace, all you can.
yeah, the two.
Yeah, please.
I've seen two.
You can see four. Sorry. Only 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
The color of the bird is. And red, below the eye, red color. Called red whiskered bulbul. Vesa one bulbuls. Today, red winter bulbul. Red whiskered bulbul. Not eatable. Eatable like they eat it.
That's only for
The
decoration.
birds, not
No.
You try this pepper, you never eat before your place.
Yesterday we tried. No?
You try this pepper, you tell me no problem. You tell me yes. Because this eaten the pepper, tell me. Eat it, I'm here only.
Very spicy.
Instead you got pepper, you got same taste.
Two different tastes.
Yeah, you got this taste.
Either
Eat, tell me, I'm here. No, very spicy.
Oh,
Pure organic peppers, good for cough and cold and throat, everything. So daily eat sir 2 pepper, no need mask.
they're very spicy.
Good for health. What I'm given to suggest only 2 or 3% ready is when the ready times I cannot speak and give to you all like this or guest. Do you know why? Very spicy.